Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about latest job openings at Jayant Systems located at Gangtok, Sikkim. Let us see what are the job openings available. Firstly, you can see on home page there is a basic information about the company, what they work and what is the divisions they work, like what is the solutions they provide. And if you click on about us, you can see there is a basic information about the company, and you can check one by one what is the values they work, and what is the like what is the specialty of the company. You can see in about us page, and on services page you can check what are the services they offer, and if there is also portfolio, you can check what are the clients they work, like that. So if you click on the careers, this there is a careers tab. Just click on this careers tab. You can see there is a few openings for the company. You can see current positions available. There is a job opening for senior .NET programmer and junior .NET programmer. For senior .NET programmer there is a experience required, and for junior .NET programmer there is no experience required. Freshers are eligible. And there is senior web designer and junior web designer. The same thing applicable for this as well. For senior designer there is a experience required, and for junior web designer no experience is required. Freshers are eligible. And there is data entry operator position and back office executive position as well. For senior .NET programmer they have mentioned 3 years of experience is required, and should be expert in ASP.NET and VB.NET and SQL as well. Qualification is BE or BTech MCA, and you should have excellent analytical and communication skills, and should know MS projects. Like this you can check for each role there is a experience requirements is required or not, they mentioned, and their qualification details also mentioned, and what is the tools you should know or programming languages you should know, they mentioned. So you can check the information clearly here, what is the requirement for each job role, and apply if you are suitable for this particular job position. And you can see for junior .NET programmer there is no requirement of experience, like freshers are eligible. They mentioned 0 to 2 years, that is minimum 0 years, like freshers, or up to 2 years of experience also will be considered. And the qualification is same as that, BE, BTech or MCA. And for the senior web designer and junior web designer also they mentioned clearly job qualification details, what is the requirement. For senior web designer also 3 years of experience is required in IT company, and should have knowledge of W3C protocols. Like this they mentioned very clearly what is the requirements. And qualification for senior web designer is degree or diploma from visual arts from a recognized university, and should have knowledge of HTML, CSS, 2D or 3D animation, Photoshop, Illustrator. Like this they mentioned clearly the requirements for the each job role. For junior web designer there is no requirement of experience. Up to 2 years of experience will be also be considered, and should have experience in IT domain. For data entry operator there should be 2 years of experience required, and should be a graduate, and that is mandatory. You can see there is a job description and details available here, you can check with that. And for back office executive there is no experience required, and this is only for female candidate. Back office executive position is only for female candidate, and female candidate only should apply, and should be a fluent in English language, and up to 12th standard, should have a 12th standard qualification, and should have good communication and presentation skills. So these are the requirements, guys. You can apply if you feel you are suitable for these positions. So all these positions are vacant. And if you click on contact us page, you can see there is a contact details also available. See this, they provided email IDs and contact numbers and address details as well, you can check with that. And always you must know about the company before applying for any job, or if you are attending for interview, you must know about the company. A basic information about the company you should know. You must go through their official website, what is the things they work, what are the technologies they work, what is the services they provide. you must know like that. It will be very helpful for you to crack the interview, and you will be valued if you know about the company. Because if you are attending the company, if you are attending for an interview at the company, that is the meaning that you are interested in that company. So you must know a basic information about the company if you are attending for any interview for any company. So this is the thing, guys. That's it in this video. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings in the next video as soon as possible. Please subscribe my channel to get more updates, and encourage me to do more videos by subscribing and pressing bell icon. And please like the video as well, and share our video with your friends and family members who are in need of job. If you do not find any suitable job, please stay tuned to our channel, and I'll be updating more videos on job openings regular basis. And let me know in comments if you have any questions or queries, and if you have any particular things to convey to me, you can let me know in comments below in comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Thank you very much, and stay tuned and support me like this way.